Hi folks, it's Moz here, and today I'm going to delve into my Airfix archive. I've been up in the attic and I've brought down a model kit which I believe is the last Snap Tite kit or Snap Click kit that Airfix have done before they moved on to what we now know as quick builds. These come as pre-painted kits, and basically all you do is click them together and screw them together. And the one I've selected today, and I'm going to build it as well, is this one. The Vodafone McLaren Mercedes from 2008. You probably remember the advert. You had Lewis Hamilton and an Airfix kit, and basically it was plastic, and they built it up and they painted it, and then Lewis jumps in, puts a helmet on, then drives off. But that never came to fruition. What we actually got was this, which was a pre-painted kit, and all you had to do was basically clip it together. There was no glue required, I believe, and all you had to do was use a screwdriver to, you know, fix all the parts together. But I thought, here we go, let's open it up and have a look at what you get in the box and probably build it this evening. So there you go, 2008, remember. You've got some nice box art there. You've got Lewis there grinning, which is not what he's doing at the moment. And then on the side here, it says pre-painted, clip and screw, fully decorated and painted. And all you need is a small crosshead screwdriver required. 1 to 32nd scale. The code for it was A50008. Edge of the box, you've got all the warnings in different languages and lingos. And there you've got this one's made in China. So this wasn't even made in India or in the UK. And that's the sticker there, which is their production sticker. So if something goes wrong in the box, you just quote that and they'll give you the spare part. And again, Hornby Hobbies. So yeah. Edge of the box, you've got the box art, a skill level 1 obviously, and then you've got the same this side. Top of the box, you've got the picture there, or a graphic representation of the model you're building, and it's saying length 148mm, width 58mm, and 17 pieces. You've got 2 flying hours for this one, so it must have been worth, you know, a few quid. I know they're about £70 now on eBay, so you know, I've had this one for a while. Right, back of the box, and there you go. Basically, you've just shown you how it all goes together, and there's a price tag there of £20. So what's that now? £35 in, you know, what are we looking at? 25 years? No, not looking at 25 years. 16 years ago when this was released, it was £20. And they're just telling you there that it's the MP421, was developed by the team for the 2006 Formula 1 season, and they had this chrome livery. This was the car that Lewis Hamilton tested in September of that year, resulting in his appointment as Vodafone McLaren Mercedes driver for the 2007 season. And there it is, telling you all there about it. Was the car designed by Adrian Newey? Let me know in the comments below if it was an Adrian Newey design, this one. So I can't remember now. I like the way it's got a gearbox here, 7 forward and 1 reverse, a 2.4 litre V8 engine, and the fuel was unleaded. So it was a catalytic converter on this one. That must be worth a few bob if you could rob that and take it to the local scrapyard. So there you go, that's it. The seated driver only included, so we need to get a seated driver. Right then, so it's time to open up the box, but before we do, can I ask a favour? Obviously, this channel relies on its subscribers, its views, and its likes. So if you're not a subscriber to this channel and you do like what you're seeing and enjoy the content that I create, would you be so kind as to subscribe to me by clicking subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. And at the end of the video, if you like it, just give it a like too. Right then, let's open the box and see what we get inside. So, there we go. Whoops, so that's the box all empty. You get a display tray, which is really nice, display stand, and you get this. Wow, it's all much there. So I'm going to open up the box here, and there you are. That's the kit itself. So it's basically, it's like another Hornby Hobbies brand. It's like a pocket kit, but in less stages, and probably fits better. Right, we'll lift this up and just checking now, it's all plastic. So this is all plastic. You've got that lovely chrome. Let me just zoom in a little bit first. Zoom in, there you go, change the camera. So there you go, there's the body of it. You can see there. It's got the Vodafone on the side. Got Santander, because it is, you know, a Santander sponsor deal as well, and that's what the advert was based on, was Santander. So there you go, there's the body of it. Okay, out comes the chassis, and there you've got your Lewis Hamilton. There's his helmet there. No seat. You know, he's laying back and he has no legs either. So yeah, there you go. So there it is there. So, you know, it's nicely done. They've done these edges here where you probably see, and yeah. But as I said, it's not like the Airfix kit that you'd see in the video. So there's the nose there. You can see some nice detail on there. It's all decaled up ready. You got your Bridgestones, you got your Mercedes badge, Mobile 1, number 22. Just look underneath, you know, a couple of injector pin marks, but you won't see that when you've got it on the base. And there's the code there. I hate this. I wish they got rid of that. ML01666. Oh, 666, is it? Is that 666? Oh, there you go. So we'll put that to one side as well. Also, you get the spoiler, the back, Vodafone written on the back. You can see in Santander as well. Santander on the back of that one. And I think that's the brake light or warning light on the back of it. Yeah, it's actually very well finished. Sprayed up, lovely. So there's the steering on the front, you know, all the steering rack and everything there. Very basic, obviously. Put that to one side as well. I'm presuming that's a skid plate, or it might even, would it be the seat? It might even be the seat. Let's have a look. No, it's not the seat. It must go underneath somewhere. I guess that goes in underneath somewhere. We'll have a look. I'm not quite sure where it goes, but we'll have a look. Again, there's the front axle there. So it's all done for you. All sprayed up, all painted. Lovely jubbly. So you get all the hubs there. The wheels. There you go. All done. And then you have the 4 tyres. Let me turn this upside down. Whoops. Oh, there's another piece there. Then you have the 4 tyres, which are marked with Bridgestone on them. Is that is it Pontenza? And they look at that. They've even got the grooves on the tyres as well. Remember when they were trying to slow the cars down and they decided to put grooves on the tyres? Yeah, look at that. They even got some detail on the tyres too. And this must be another piece there for the front. Is it the front of the car or the back? I think that goes. I think that must be like deflectors, I think. So there you go. Coolio. I'm assuming then that there's no instructions. You're using this as your instructions. So you're using the box to put it together. And so I think it's time we put it together, don't you? So yeah, let's put it together now and see what sort of result we get. Just realised this is actually the front, not the back. Silly me. So look at the box. Look at the box here. And we'll put that on the front. So there's the first bit in. That's in. That's nice. And that wind deflector, it looks like it goes that way around, or is it that way? No, that way around, and goes where? At the front. So it must go in there. There's little notches out, so that goes in there. So there you go, there's some deflectors there. Right, what else do we need? I presume these go in the grooves here, in there. So, whoops. Apparently that goes in like that, allegedly. I don't know. Or does it click in? Do they click in, do you think? Do you have to push them in? Oh, I don't know. You have to push these in? Maybe they maybe got to push them in. I don't know. It's very tight if it is. Yeah, I think you got to click these in. Oh yeah, there you go. You got to click them in. Easy done. So put everything in, squeeze tight, and break everything out. So these the back wheels are in now, and this one here then fits on top. You've got the two locating pins, and it goes one in there and one the other side there, and that fits in like so. Brilliant. Right, let's put this back together again. So you need to put the nose on the front, so the nose goes on the front here. Perfect. Yeah, his hands are definitely in the way of the steering wheel, which is rather odd. So that all lines up, but his hands are in the way of the steering wheel. Bloody hell, FX. Well, that's all together anyway. That's in position, that's in position. I'm going to screw him up now, and then I'm going to try and manipulate his hands into position around the steering wheel. Crumbs, get in. Yeah. There you go. There's one in the hand. There you go. Right, there you go. The hands are in the way. Okay, so we've got the little screws to go in there. Screw him in. That's the first one in. Then you have, so from that angle there, you've got the longer one to go in there. He goes in there. He's tight. Then you've got another one to go here. Oh, I've just broken the mirror off. That's a bit of annoyance. And then this one here goes in there. Then this one goes on there. And then even the bloody wheels are difficult to get on this thing. Come on, what do you get? There's the first wheel on. God, what a nightmare. There you go. There you go. So there's the wheels on. All I've got to do now is just repair that there with a little bit of super glue. Hopefully that will stick back on. Little touch of super glue. There we go. There you go. And then what I need to do now he's super glued on, is then put this underneath. And there you go. That is it all built. So there you go. There's it on its stand, but there's nothing on the box or any extra screws that explain how this fits on to the stand. You know, you got a hose there and everything, but underneath there is no hose. So I don't quite know how. I suppose it just stays on there like this. But yeah, I tell you what, runs freely, runs quite freely. But yeah, there you go. There it is, all built. Wasn't the easiest to build, even though it was a click quick. You know, I had to manipulate the hands to get them around the steering wheel so it wouldn't close up shut. And as I was doing that, I knocked off the wing mirror, which I've had to super glue back in place. And the screw there was very long, so I've had to find a different screw to use that instead. I found I had one of these from another kit. But yeah, there it is. That is the McLaren, Vodafone McLaren F1 built. And it does look the part, to be fair. It does look the part. So, there you are. That was a very asked about face build. It wasn't easy, you know, getting the rubber tyres on the wheels, on the hubs while it's built was a bit of a nightmare. As I said, you know, I think they like the screws look different sizes, and the screw that you were supposed to put into the end, which is supposed to be a long one, was very, very long, too long for so I have to find another one that I've knocking around here to fit in there. And you know, there's no way of glue or attaching it to the base. There's no hose on the model. There's hose in the base, but there isn't any hose on the model for the screw to go through. So interesting, but it does look all right, doesn't it? And you know, as I said, it's 16 years old. This, you know, the last time this was boxed, it's never boxed again, just the once in 2008. So, and it was in, you know, and there was an advert, wasn't there, of Lewis Hamilton in an Airfix kit. So, but yeah, there it is, all built. I'm quite happy with it, and I'll probably send that away somewhere and put it on display somewhere, you know, with the box art and everything. And that's it from me. I know they're available on eBay for about 60 quid. I think there's some up to 80 quid. But yeah, if you want to go and build this one, you know, have a look on eBay. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. If you'd like to be a supporter of this channel, you can be by becoming a channel member, like the folks on the screen now. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select the membership tier you so wish. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. If you'd like to see my previous video, click here. If you'd like to see other videos that I've done or scale modelling reviews, click here.